Happy Friday. Whoa, what the hell is today, gang? Happy Wednesday, gang. It is the last day of the year. It is 12/31/2025. A day that will live in infamy. I mean, not really. It's been a phenomenal year, though. I hope it's been a phenomenal year for everybody as well. I basically I made all my money in new home sales. I stopped new home sales about 3 years ago. Unofficially retired. Got my 4-year-old, my 7-year-old, my wife, my beautiful family. We got the 2 goats. We got 10 ducks. We got bees. And we've just been loving and enjoying life. So it's been a fun 3 years of just road trips, memories, getting to really, really know each other and everything else. And then part of that journey brought me to visit Mr. Patrick Wieland at the BDH a few months ago. And he taught me futures. He showed me this beautiful, beautiful world of futures, having your money make money, which I've been trading stocks on and off for, 8-10 years. And I'm relatively decent at swing trading. But I never really day traded before. Hello there, driving obsession. Well, hello there, handsome fella. How are you doing today, sir? I hope you are doing well. Today's going to be a relaxing day today. What we certainly found after yesterday is that Christmas and New Year's Eve just is not a time to trade. It's a little bit too barcodey, choppy, low volume. Just not anything that's really that exciting, if I'm being honest. But look at that, we did fill that gap late last night finally, which pretty frustrating. Everybody's been waiting for that gap fill for the last 4 days now. The last 4 days, trading days or something like that. We've been looking for this gap fill. And then the devils do it overnight where nobody can actually capture anything on it. So yeah, there's our consolidation box. We were stuck in the whole stinking day yesterday. Which, yeah, basically continued the whole stinking day. After hours, we've just been selling off, 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 selling off. So again, patience is king today, because you just don't know. I mean, generally speaking, once you fill a gap, that's giving you rocket fuel to go back up, right? But so far for this morning, 9:34, we're still showing a heck of a lot of weakness. This is our 1 minute right now. Our 5 minute opening range is almost set here. Hey, morning Miguel, morning trading cowboy. Yee! How we doing, guys? Which, man, my microphone just keeps bleeding out red right now. Am I too loud? Am I like screaming for you guys? Let me change this just a little. I mean, again, I don't want to screw up your guys' setups, but every single time I'm seeing my microphone hit pure red. Hopefully that's a little better. So 10 more seconds here until our first 5 minute candle is set. We've been trending down, obviously, since Friday. You want to go say hi? Go say hi to the people? Do you want to make me a tea? I don't have time to make tea. Or do you want to hang out? Sit down.
I gotta make the kids breakfast.
Let's have a wife interview.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, see
what kind of questions are you gonna ask
see
me?
I don't know. See what the people want to ask you. You good, Greg? Don't bother me. Oh, good, man. Man, again, sometimes I forget that. Are you going to sit down or no? Where are you going? Oh, you should be on my left side. Get on my left side. Get on over there.
Right in the microphone.
Scooch over a little if you can. All right.
So I'm just going to mess everything up here.
Or watch, you make all the money today. Could you imagine? Maybe you're about to make the trade. Maybe today's the day. So again, what I was kind of talking about is this is our 1 hour. We've been downtrending since Friday. Trend. Late last night, snuck down, filled that gap, popped back up. Which 650s made sense. There's a lot of wicks and a lot of, you know, support at 650. Oh, no, she's... now they both want to come up in the egg chair. You know, Meg, you know... come here, sweeties. Aww. She's never gotten to say hi to the class before. Wow, we're sinking now. We're breaking through our 5 minute. What would our target be?
Not you.
Well, target would be bottom of that orange. Still breaking. Coming down to VWAP.
Not you. God damn it. No, not you. He says I'm taking his spot. Oh my god.
Come on up, you bear. Come on up, you bear. So we gotta be a little bit careful because obviously we're right at VWAP right now. Ooh, there's our new 5 minute starting to poke through. Let's take another 2 of them off. We're gonna put some stops in here.
Stop fill.
Still have 2 left. We still got 1 left. Gonna put this last one just at break even, basically.
So let her
this
call
is
the next trade.
Yeah, you can call the next trade. Stop stuff in. How we guys doing today? Yee-hoo. Good morning, Digital Nukas. Good to see us. Good to see us. Good to see us.
Come here, baby girl.
Well, we're up 114 on the day so far. We've had our first trade. Yee. This is Jackie's trade. She called it out.
Oh yeah.
Honestly, we're transitioning to Jackie being the main spokesperson of this channel.
So pretty much we're gonna be millionaires now.
Oh no, was I on the wrong stupid trade again? I hate it when I do that. How frustrating. Sorry guys, Jackie distracted me. Now it's a bad thing she's here. Sorry, so I took that short. Obviously we're breaking through, took the short, sunk her down a little bit below VWAP here. We ended up getting 18 points on it. Oh, we still have, we still have a runner running. So we'll bring it to the top of this wick now. But yeah, we're up 135 with our target being... Yeah, well, we got stopped out anyways. But yeah, we're trying to target really the 600 right at the bottom of this. But let's see. Let's wait for the next setup. Always listen to her. I know, man. Hey, what's up, Sod? How we doing today? Trading Cowboy has a sweet barn dough.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he like all of his family and stuff like that. Came to hang out there.
I want a barn dough.
I know. I want a barn dough too.
I want a barn dough compound.
Yeah. And then we can do our Airbnb thing on it. Man, our Airbnb has been
Which
killing.
is booking like crazy.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
slots are filling up.
Yeah, if you guys want to come hang out with us, you want to come hang out at the Airbnb, come on down. Nice, man. Sod, listen, be safe, have a hell of a lot of fun. I know you haven't seen those friends and family for a while, so make some good memories, good end to 2025, and we'll keep killing it in 2026. I appreciate you, man. I hope you do as well. Thank you so much. And thank you for stopping in, too. So now we're forming a nice little bear flag here.
Okay, I'm gonna go cook. I'm bored. I'm bored.
Aw. You're my Lucky's rabbit's foot, though.
Oh yeah, have you made money?
We made $100 so far.
Nice. I'll make some bacon.
Alright. Can I have some tea too, please?
I guess.
Let's push out of here. Alright.
Did you feed her?
Yeah, I did. Unless Jet ate it, but yeah, I did.
Did you feed her food?
So on the 1 hour, we came down, we tapped the high of London. The high of London. We tapped London high and Asian high. Look at her. She got me all flabbergasted now. Thanks, Sod. Thank you, sir. Ugh. So yeah, we've been married 10 years now, going on 11. I don't honestly know how long we've been together. Probably like 15 years or something like that. Still breaking. The bear flag is bear flagging. We're going to try her again. And this time, hopefully going to get the 600s. And then we'll target a little bit lower if it'll keep going. I don't have my stop in yet, though. That was a mistake I made yesterday. So let's get that in just in case. And we're not going to move stops today, because that was a mistake too. I kept putting these stops just way too stinking high, right? And then I just let it sit. And then I kept convincing myself, you know, if it comes up here, why don't we move the stop to up here? Because maybe it'll just come up to here and then come down, you know? Still, let's get a little continuation on this bear flag. Oh, my chart got all messed up a little bit. Man, this music is a little intense today. Let's switch this real quick. Darn, darn, darn. So we do have our VWAP here. Hopefully that VWAP is going to provide a little bit of resistance for us. It's 942 right now. That's a good wick down. Making me feel a little bit better about it. Great wick down. Man, why are my charts all screwed up over here? Alright, let's concentrate on this trade. We're 1 minute in, 9:42. Let's hope this 1 minute starts breaking, but we don't want it to pop back up. So we got to kind of start feeling it out a little bit, because this is certainly a good place for us to pop back up and trap the bears for a little bit. So we might take it a little early, or we might trail the stops a little bit tight and close, because we're still not. We got to really break this wick. We got to break the wick I entered on. We haven't yet. Come on. Not loving it. I mean, we definitely have weakness, but again, I could just see some silliness happening. ES is still breaking, though. Actually, ES is breaking and it's going lower. We're going to break and go lower. We got a new 5 minute coming, though. Damn it. Gonna start trailing these stops a little bit more aggressively, because again, it's just dancing a little bit too much. We have our new 5 minute candle come in 30 seconds, which presumably that candle is gonna push us down. Ah shit, which it is right now. So we'll leave this one. We'll leave our one runner. Our target should be probably 600, but we'll see what this 5 minute candle does. We got 15 seconds left. I mean, really, yeah, I should have waited for this confirmation candle to get in. Then I would have felt a little better about it. New 5 minute candle. Pushing up a little bit. What is the EMA? The EMA on the 5 minute is 655. So we do have a little potential for it to push back up. But right now, nope, it's breaking. It's breaking. Breaking, breaking, breaking. There's our 600. 601 it just hit. What are your plans tonight? So, my 7-year-old, remember he has the, he's actually had a girlfriend for 2 years now, which, you know, they're family friends and everything like that. She's an 8-year-old, but they've been steady, you know, they've been steady for 2 years. Son of a bitch, man. Saw the weakness, just didn't hold it long enough. And sorry, guys, I'm swearing a little bit today, aren't I? Still, disappointing. In fact, I lost money on this because of fees, didn't I? We were up 130. Now we're up 113. That's pretty annoying. Because I got in at 17, yeah, and I got out at like 15s and 14s. But yeah, so we have family friends coming over tonight. They're gonna spend the night in the Airstream. They have 3 kids total. They have a 8-year-old, I guess probably like a 6-year-old, and maybe like a, I don't know, 11-year-old, 12-year-old, 13-year-old, something like that. But they're good people. They're a lot of fun, so we'll hang out with them. A super funny thing that we did, I can't remember if it was last year or the year before. I'm considering going short again. Again, we got to see if this breaks now. Darn it, though. That would have been a good trade if I just held it. What we did last year is the kids, or 2 years ago, the kids went ballistic around like, I don't know, it was like 10 o'clock. We couldn't deal with it anymore. Wow, Nvidia's falling like a rock right now, too. Look at that. Nvidia's racing to its gap fill. ES is still breaking down. Qs are still breaking down. We got to still be breaking down. There's, I guess, really no reason for us to stop here, is there? We're so far away from the 5-minute 9, though. 650. So it'd be a 60-point stop. Ooh. I mean, I guess you could put your stop at 620 instead. Thinking about it, thinking about it, thinking about it. But man, sorry. Scatterbrained over here. So yeah, at like 10 o'clock, just 9:30, 10 o'clock, too late at night. Kids are just going too nuts. We have to get them to bed. They insisted they have to stay up for the ball drop. So we got them outside. While they were outside, we changed all the clocks in the house to midnight. Or to like, you know, to 11:50. And then on the TV, we put last year's New Year's Eve ball drop celebration and stuff like that on the TV. And then like brought it back into the house. We're like, guys, come quick. It's only 10 minutes. You guys made it. Here's the ball drop. And everybody's screaming. We count it down. Woo, it's midnight, you know. And then we get the kids to bed. We're like, thank fucking God. So I think we got them to bed by like 10:15 or 10:30 or something like that. So here's our push back up to the 600s. Man, frustrated with myself on that last trade. Gotta slow it down a little. Come here, you puppy. Come here. I love you. You're a good pup. Can't believe we've had this guy for over a year now. Well, I guess we haven't had you for over a year, but you're 1 year old now. You're a good pup. So on the 1 minute, this is still looking like a really nice bear flag. We only have 30 seconds for our next 5-minute candle. So presumably going to try to punch it in short again, and then we're going to target, you know, 552, basically the early market lows. But we got 15 seconds. Let's just wait for this 5-minute candle to open up. If it pushes, you know, if it pushes 581 quick, we're definitely going in. But we got to make sure this 5-minute isn't going to bring us back to the 5 EMA, which would be 640s. Man, I just got like the Earthworm Jim curl going on right here. So, just waiting for some type of signal here, guys. It's a good thing we didn't go short down here. It did look like a nice little bear flag there. And you got just the tiniest little poke. Tiniest little poke down for confirmation. Ooh, 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 ooh. Maybe, maybe, maybe. Maybe now. Maybe now. finger on the trigger. Man, I like this little space soundtrack we're having right now. That sounds fun. We're crazy busy. Oh man, we could fit in something sometime. Just got an alert for your stream. Yay! What up, homie? Oh, thank you.
What was that?
Gio just got the alert that I'm streaming.
Oh, nice.
Oh. Man, considering hitting the short here, but it's just, ugh. You know, these wicks, it's getting a lot of buying pressure back up. That's what these wicks are telling us. Even though this wick ended up breaking this previous one, there's still just a little bit of buying pressure here. ES is having a little bit of buying pressure. Nvidia didn't fill its gap, though, so you'd think... Again, we've just been getting teased by this market with these gap fills that haven't been happening. But Nvidia right here, almost hitting the gap, just a couple points shy. NQ just came back up and touched its VWAP on the 1 minute. On the 5 minute, again, we're talking about this imbalance, and we're talking about the EMA up here at the 645. So it's starting to curl down just a little bit. It was at 650. So we can get a 645 retest, and then confirmation that we're still heading south. Maybe we can head south. Ooh. Man, it's kind of chilly in here today. What temperature is it? 70 in the house? Oh, why do we have it 70 in here? We're like 73.
I'm sorry.
What?
You ain't made of money? You haven't cashed out yet?
But I got a pocket shirt on. People want to see the pocket shirt.
Put a sweater on if you're cold.
Should I have a sweater? Oh, there's my underwater tiger. Here, throw me that black one.
Hold on, man.
Oh, hey, don't forget, did you want to drive to one of those targets to get that heated blanket? So you can get it while you're out? Look at this. Underwater tiger. So that was, I was in a, not success. I was in a regionally successful band in high school called Fatal Attraction. I was the drummer to it. And my lead singer of that band started this band, Underwater Tiger, for college. Phenomenal band. Really, really, really good band. My style of music, it just didn't really go anywhere. Then he moved to Nashville, started working for like a sound recording company, and then got connected with a band called Oliver Hazard, because I think he was maybe sound recording for him or something like that. And they needed to fill in for the engineering session, or probably have this completely wrong, but it's along those lines. And they ended up kicking out their third member and hiring my buddy Nate instead. So he's their, newest member. He's been with them, I think, for about 2 years now. But they travel across the entire country. They go to Alaska. They have a lot of really cool shows. Man, sadly enough, one of my best friends, I haven't been to a show yet. But he's only had one show in Florida. And it was like 4 hours away. Alright, so good reason for us to not enter a short, since we're still continually ripping up here. So again, the thing we have to keep in mind is our 9 EMA is at 643 now. So it came down. Basically, it's matching up with my 21. Not my 21, this is my 45. So this is what we got to see. Once it hits this blue line, it's going to pop above, retest, and go up. Or are we going to wick it, kind of come down, and then come back down? It's kind of our morning trend line. Hey, get your snout out of there. You stinking pup. Man, this has been one of those frustrating markets too that like the last 2 weeks you've had to have like patience to see and visualize the setups, but then at the same time by 10:30 the moves just kind of shrivel up to nothing. So if you don't make your money by 10:30, which we're basically there almost, you know. This might be our rejection, guys. Let's see.
Order filled.
So hopefully it's ready. It came up. It didn't quite hit the point I wanted it to hit. I really did want it to kind of sweep that EMA or sweep that imbalance just a little bit better, and it didn't. But sometimes you got to just take what it gives you. So really hoping that we come down and break our session low, and then hopefully we'll do our overnight low as well. Come on, we really want this candle to basically confirm it and break down. And then in 2 minutes we have our new 1 hour candle, which always has its own challenges. So real good wicks here. Really just need it to start pushing though, push down. Darn it. This is a nothing candle. 2 seconds left of this guy. Now we only have 1 minute left before our new 5-minute candle and 1 hour candle. Which, as you guys see, I usually get a little weary around this time. I kind of hate being in trades on candle opens or candle closes, however you look at it, especially if they're big ones like this. You know, if it's a big 1 hour, because it just gets a little volatile. You just never know. You can get stupidly wicked up in one direction, you know, just for it to go the other direction. It doesn't always happen that way, but it happens enough to make me kind of about it. Because the theory is, even if we were to go down, sometimes we'd go up first. I kind of wanted us to go down before we hit this 1 hour. But we got 9 seconds left. Let's see what it brings us. The EMA on the 1 hour is 622. So hopefully that would save us anyways. Hopefully it would just come up, kiss like the 622 level, and then continue south. Still looking weak so far. But it didn't break our previous 5-minute low yet. See? What are we seeing? Higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Ooh. So we really need it to break this wick. Otherwise it's going to come up, it's going to tap us. Tap our friggin' stops, and then it's going to come back down. Fucking thing. What time is it? We got 10 seconds left of this candle. There we go. Starting to break, starting to break, starting to break. We still haven't broken what I need it to break, though. Oh, I'd hate to take these right now. I guess you gotta hold it and hope. Come on. See, we just still haven't broken a new low yet. We need to break that low. We need to break that low. We're so close. We gotta break 598. If we can break 598, we're gonna be looking good. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Alright, gonna move our stops just in case it gets a little wicky.
Stop filled.
Got stopped out of 2 of them. We're gonna move our target on 1 down just a little. Got 10 seconds for our next 1-minute candle. We're looking at the 5-minute right now, but that'll help us hopefully dance down a little bit lower. There we go. No, 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 don't do that, you silly thing. Don't do that, you silly thing. Alright. Just keeping these stops real tight today.
Stop filled.
Up 150 on the morning. Can we continue our trip south? Bringing this to break even. Nope, didn't take it. Man, just so stinking slow here now, guys. Come on, just drop it down. I'm gonna just get out of it. Yep, getting
Stop
out of it.
filled.
All right, 144 bucks. Let's try to wait for something that feels a little better. I don't know, this felt decent, but it just took a little bit too long and went against us a little bit while we were holding it. But that's how it's been lately. I mean, look at this. Look at this barcodiness. Pop, 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 pop. Since we broke all of these candles and wicks, we should have continued. Instead, we came down to these bodies, basically, and then stopped. What is everybody else's plans today? What do you guys got going on for New Year's? Dang, we got 12 of you guys watching right now. I appreciate that. I hope everybody's having a good New Year's so far. Well, end of good New Year's Eve so far. End of the year so far. So yeah, I mean, you kind of felt it, right? When you're in the trade and it's taken a little bit too long, when we broke all this stuff, we really should have broke right away. And then when the next 5-minute candle opened up, our 10 o'clock, this new 1-hour candle, just had the tiniest little push. It didn't push right away. So just all that stuff gives you a lot of hesitancy. Now it did, the 1 hour did come up and tap its EMA though. 619, it was close, 616. Almost tapped it. We still haven't taken out our lows yet though. So presumably south is still going to be the way. But we just need a little bit better, I don't know, confirmation. And of course, if the last couple of days have taught us anything, this literally might be where we live until 1 o'clock. This might be the entire session. We'll see. Ooh. How? Ugh. Ooh, and I'm super excited for 2026, gang, because we have our brand new Sink or Swim t-shirts coming in. Got this nice pillow right here. Woohoo! Now that I'm like not selling anything, I'm not saying go buy my merch or anything like that. Just me personally, I made 4 Sink or Swim t-shirts. So instead of being Underwater Tiger, we'll be SOS branded. Which I gotta show you this design really quick. Do I have a way to show it on the computer? Ooh. You guys gotta let me know. I went down the rabbit hole of creating t-shirts. I'm gonna need one, Greg. Jose! I appreciate you. Alright, let me see. I got into this, like, we started doing some retro ones. We started doing some just crazy ones. Let me see if I can find a good one here. I mean, this is just like a silly kind of kiddie one. So again, these aren't the ones I purchased. I'm still working on them. Let's see how this works. Main camera. There you go. Ew. So a little cartoony. Admittedly, it's a little cartoony. It's nothing like the ones I actually ordered, but I still think it's kind of cool. Like, would you guys wear anything like this, or is it too cartoony? Just out of curiosity. I like it. Good. That's cool. All right. All right. Now let's see. Hold on. Let me get to another one. Here we go. So here's the here's my retro one. What do we think of retro? I mean, it's very clever, right? Liquidity grab Grand Prix. High volatility. But yeah, so we'll see, man. I don't know. Yeah, kind of like it, you know, itches my brain. Bull Flag Beach Bash, surf contest, bear wave break, monthly high. You guys are getting me fired up. I'm gonna start making them. They're cool, man. I don't know. Like, you don't see trading t-shirts, right? You just don't see trading t-shirts ever. So that would be the kind of cool thing about it is, I don't know, sparks the conversation. You might just be walking down the street and a future trader, you know, says, hey, that's cool. They like my t-shirts. Look at them. Look at this. Bull Flag Beach Bash.
I thought I liked that one.
I know. And I showed him that one. Here's a super weird one. This one I don't really like as much, but it was just weird, you know. Liquidity pool. I was just basically trying to work off all the concepts, you know, liquidity pools and order blocks and all that stuff. Jose says he's going to buy the first one.
Oh, yeah?
Yep. These are the ones that I actually ended up ordering. Anyone can eat an elephant one bite at a time. MNQ. I just think this one's so funny. Trading Cowboy again. Obviously, he gave it to me. Lively liquidity pool. Good morning, Greg. Guitar guy. Neat and currently. What's up, gang? Lively liquidity pool. I like that. Sorry, we're just kind of mucking around today. I have a terrible suspicion we're just going to be in that stupid range. This is the one we just got for my wife. Sink or swim crop. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. Yeah, Trading Cowboy, listen. Oh, wait, hold on. We're breaking right now. Let's get back to trading. Let's get back to trading, guys. What are we doing here? Could you imagine, though, Trading Cowboy? What if I... So we print that shirt out. And I'm gonna hide it. I'm gonna put a QR code on the side of it, and it'll link directly to your, you know, Venmo. It'll be like a, I don't know, tip the artist type thing. I was on tilt this morning, but I finally got out of it, dude. Listen, if you went red to green. Sometimes it's a good time to just call it quits right there. But I get it, man. It's so hard. Listen, it's so stinking hard. When you're on tilt and you get that mindset, right? Oof. Or the hardest thing for me, again, is if I'm red, I'm not going to end the day red. So I'm going to keep trading. Oh, okay. Sounds good. Yeah. But yeah, I literally can't get out of it. I'll be like, nope, we're going to keep trading. This next trade will save us. You know, and always when you go back and you kind of like, not that I journal my trades really, but like this live stream is kind of like my journaling. Because I always go back, I look at my live streams. I look at the trades I made, I look at my decisions and stuff like that. And everybody knows it, and everybody says it, and everybody talks about it, but nobody can actually follow the damn plan. That when you overtrade, you're just never going to make money, right? If you can get down to trading maybe like 5 trades in a session or something like that, it seems to be that's always when you make the most amount of money. Because like you're just holding the trades a little bit longer, you're getting into entries and exits just a little bit better and stuff like that. Your mind is just a little bit fresher. Once you start making too many trades, then just every single candle motion or movement, you're like, this is it. This is when it's finally going to break. I've been waiting for it to break all day. It's finally going to break right here. And so then you enter that trade. And then it's not time for it to finally break. It's time for it to sneak back in the wrong damn direction because it's in a consolidated chop or something. And then also certainly true that not every day is a day to trade. So one thing that that's really helped me as well is, again, I have this live stream, so it gives me a lot of the correct word. I mean, again, it's like journaling it. I can't lie about my trades or anything like that. I'm saying this the wrong way, but basically just every single day it shows like these are the exact decisions that you made that day. So I do my live stream, I log off, and then I'll jump into 2 or 3 or 4 of my, other people that I like following's live streams. Usually it's, already done by now, like Patrick Whelan, for example. I'll go in and I'll watch his live stream, and I'll just fast forward to where he made the trades, where he made the decisions, where I made my trades and my decisions, and kind of see how it compares. So yesterday, I was happy to see, I went to like Patrick, I went to a couple others, and they all had the same day that I had, where they're like, this is chop, this is bullshit, this is not the day to trade, this is the day to walk away, and just about everybody walked away. I made the mistake of, I continually kept saying this is not the day to trade, this is the day to walk away, there's not enough volume, but I kept sitting there. So we didn't have as much of a good day yesterday, just because I didn't walk away soon enough. So sometimes that's the best game plan, is you just got to walk away sooner. Alright, got a $20 Apex account, and thank you. Get it? Yeah, man. This darn drawdown is killing. I gotta get past the drawdown so I don't have to worry about it anymore. I know it, man. I know. Intraday on Apex, literally the worst. But a $20 account is hard to pass up. I agree with you, man. I agree with you. And that's been kind of the gift and curse almost of this situation right here. Is these are all $20 accounts. So I've bought a whole bunch of them, and then I've just slowly been... Like, this one's up $7.99, this one's up $5.96, this one's up $403, this one's just a break even, this one's up $193, this one's brand new. So I shouldn't have, I kind of almost bought too many accounts. I bought 2 Apex accounts too. I have a 150k Apex account and a 250k Apex account. But I'm not really like trading that specific account long enough. I'll trade like one account for that one day of the week, and then I'll trade the other accounts, then I'll go back to that one account. So I probably have to start copy trading and stuff like that just a little bit to start trying it out. I mean, keep in mind, guys, I'm new on my futures journey here as well. Ooh, how do you like this little opera music coming in? I've never used the platform you're on. What is it? Currently, I'm on Take Profit Trader. Legends. It's Legends instead. It's I don't know. It's these guys. Not that you really get to see too much here. Hold on. Oops, that didn't work. Yeah, I can't really show enough on this screen actually. It's just not made for it. But Legends Trading.
Do we have champagne? Do you want champagne?
I think we do have champagne.
Okay. So I'm not gonna buy any. If we have it, great. If not, we have a bunch of fruits in the fridge.
Yeah. Hold on now. Now I want to freaking fix this before I mess around too much more. Oh, we do have champagne in the fridge. Yeah. Yeah, I think we have enough stuff probably. Legends. So in all honesty, fuck man, here we go. We're breaking right now, and I'm not a part of it. Don't want to chase though. Everybody else is breaking. I guess we're just gonna chase it.
Order filled.
Stop.
Because they're so close to the bottom here. Yeah, good reminder to never chase, right? No, it usually doesn't work out. Nope, don't chase, don't chase, don't chase. Boo, stupid trade, don't chase. Gonna keep these stops just way down because I think it's gonna wick back up potentially. If it was gonna go, it honestly should have started kind of going right away. Yeah, we're out of it. So now we're up 62 bucks because I waited for all this consolidation, talking. Breaks wasn't a part of the break. Oh well. So for me, honestly, I just look, so Take Profit Trader, they're great. I don't know. It seems like everybody's great.
Okay, I'm gonna go run my errands.
Okay, love ya.
They're eating breakfast right now.
Okay.
But you gotta, like, you can't, you know, just be in your own world. Make sure you're aware about the kids.
I know there's kids in there. Love you. I just go with whoever is cheapest at that time. So like Take Profit Trader is great. I think Apex is great. You know, Funding Ticks is great. Funding Futures seems to be okay. Legends is kind of new. I was introduced to them through Patrick. I don't know really that much about them, minus the fact that at the time they were $20. You know, so I bought like 10 of them. And then same thing, Apex, $20, so I'm starting to buy them. in all of those names as well, you'll also hear not necessarily the horror stories, but there's still a lot of pushback. You know, like Ruben Garcia is a really good trader here in Orlando. He passed 5 evals through Apex on the same account. So they just updated him to live trading, and now he just got an email that he's no longer allowed to buy evals at all. Like he's just, not to say blacklisted, but they're like, hey, you are consistent, generally speaking, so you have to work on that consistency. So you can only have the accounts that you have. You can't buy any new accounts. You can still get payouts, you still get your split, you still get everything, but these are your accounts now. Don't blow them up. Which is kind of interesting. And he's gotten denied probably 3 payouts through Apex as well. So honestly, just every one of the big names, eventually they don't want to pay out, so they're probably going to give you some pushback, you know, here or there. But on the flip side, they're all good enough that they are paying out. They're not complete scams or anything like that. You're seeing people make, you know, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars. So I honestly just, whoever's cheapest at the time, that's what I go with, because, you know, you kind of have the same probability regardless of, are they going to find a way to pay you or are they not going to pay you? But generally speaking, they'll pay you. Apex has been known to change payout rules. Yeah. Yep. Man, we're getting kind of ratchet with the music today. About My Business by M. Randa. So, you know, you kind of felt it, right? We kind of felt it. We chased this trade. We shouldn't have chased the trade. But at least we were smart enough to get out of it instead of holding it. Here we are tapping the... Hey, morning, Bubba. I haven't seen you all day. You've been sleeping lately. You want to say hi to the people?
I'm tired.
Too tired to say hi to the people? You can give them a little wave at least. Not even a little wave? Just get the butt, huh?
Yeah, you literally hit the butt. Jet. Hey! Jet! This is not your territory.
Man, so we'll see. Seems like we're trying to form both. Rory, you okay? Just make sure. Oh, you just burped. I was listening to you, Greg. I ended up chasing too. No, dude, I'm sorry. And literally, you're the, you know, because you were just on tilt too. You're the worst person to follow a bad trade because now it's going to make you even angrier, right? Dang, man. Sorry about that. And I said it, man, you know, these are one of the ones too. I'm going to go back and I'm going to watch my live and I'm going to see me just rambling. And then all of a sudden, we're going to see this thing start shooting down. And I'm going to be like, hey, we shouldn't chase. Don't chase. I'm entering the trade. And I'm going to be like, why the fuck did you enter that trade? You know? Ugh. Yeah, very frustrating, man. Sorry about that. Yeah, I mean, same thing. We didn't lose too much. We kept it real tight. But still, just frustrating because you don't want to lose any trades. Man, what an eclectic mix. What an eclectic music mix. You just got a little ratchet out about my business. Now we're getting a little smooth jazz. Just to bring that, you know, bring that heart rate. Just, we got excited. And then, actually, it sounds silly, but when we're wakeboarding and, you know, wake surfing and stuff like that behind the boat, and it's got cannon speakers. I mean, it's got, you know, like, the back of this boat, man, you can hear it. Like, when I could be across the way, if I'm across the lake, but my speakers are facing your house when we're boating, you'll be able to hear us. Which I mean, we're trying not to be too annoying or anything like that. We're not those type of people. Just showing how large, or loud this thing actually is. But my favorite music to surf or wakeboard to, insanely enough, is like dubstep violin stuff. It's the craziest thing. Like Josh Vietti or Lindsey Sterling, something like that. Man, dubstep violin, it'll hit. Or the other one that's weird too is Irish rock. Like a little Flogging Molly or what's the other super popular Irish band? But Dropkick Murphys, yeah. That stuff kicks on when you're wakeboarding. You'll do some good stuff. So, are we going to be stupidly range bound now? We are coming back up and kissing our EMAs. So, here's our 5-minute EMA, ES, Qs. Nvidia broke above its EMA a little bit, which insanely enough, they never filled the gap. Qs came just an inch from filling the gap and then changed its mind. 5-minute looks like a nice little bear flag forming, but we need some type of confirmation because we can't jump in early again. I definitely want to have one of those days though with the those pretty little $20 Apex accounts. Do like a CPI play. Like I played CPI, I don't know, last CPI like 2 weeks ago or whatever it was, and that was like a really good, I don't know, $800 pop or something like that instantly. And then Patrick, of course, you know, he's slaying 20 accounts, and I was doing micros, he was doing minis. He passed all 20 accounts just with that one push because he was doing like 3 or 4 minis. So I definitely got to do that one of these days. One of these days we just got to buy, I mean, hopefully there's like a $20 Apex, buy 5 of them, spend $100 on it, copy trade, and do a little $100 YOLO play. Alright, I gotta move some money. I forgot. Move some shmonies. You leave me alone. Why are you being so silly? Changing money. There we go. We literally have all of our money is in the stock market. Like every single dollar basically is in the stock market. So I just transferred out 13 grand. 13 grand to pay for this month and for Christmas and all that stuff. Why are you yelling at me this morning? Because you wanted to see the girls. You wanted to take the goats out. We can start that when Apex starts giving us the accounts too. Dude, right? Ugh. So it's something I've been... I gotta just do it. Sooner than later, I gotta do it. So all of these companies obviously have affiliates and affiliate programs and stuff like that. Some of them want you to have 500 followers before you can apply. Some of them don't. You can just apply right away. I think I have 240 right now. Thanks, guys. So I haven't applied to anything yet. I was almost kind of waiting for that 500 mark. But I don't want to wait too long either because obviously I got a tiny little bit of momentum off the BDH thing. Like the Funding Ticks guys, sent me an email with, some free accounts and stuff like that. So I should really start developing those relationships, reaching out to those guys and being like, hey, how was that smiling face at the BDH? Can I have some free stuff? Because, yeah, man, I would love to start, slanging accounts left and right for you guys, too, do like the daily giveaways and all that fun stuff. Got to get into it. Start doing our subscriber appreciation parties. There you go. Find out where you guys are centrally at. We'll do one big old bash. What? You gotta go potty? Let me let this dude out real quick. Watch this bear flag play out while I'm gone, though. Jose, I'm in. Hell yeah. Oh, I'm gonna be so frustrated. I gotta take this dude out. I know. Give me a sec. But this is looking like a nice bear flag. If it can break this wick and this body, this candle, everything else, and then especially if it can break this body, we are so stinking close now. You would think it would go. We're right at the bottom of our consolidation zone as well, though. We got it a minute and a half before our next 5-minute candle. So that's what you almost want, is you want the next, in a minute and a half, when that new 5-minute candle opens up, if that 5-minute candle can break both this wick and this wick body, then I would say shorts. So you gotta wait for me, baby. You gotta wait just a minute. Can you wait just a minute? Huh? Can we just wait a minute? Then maybe we can make money while you go potty. Then we could make monies. Then you're going potty and we're making monies. Is that a good idea? Is that good ideas? You can't even see him. I got my black microphone, my black sweatshirt on. I got a black dog right here. You can't distinguish anything. Look at that. You look like my microphone. Alright, 30 seconds, gang. Let's see. I know. 30 seconds. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, no, Jesus. How are we going to trade now? Now how are we going to trade? We can't even see the screen. Gonna quit trading for the day. I don't want to end up doing something I'll regret. Yeah, dude, it's the last day of the year, right? Tomorrow, there's the stock market's closed. So, you don't want to blow up an account today and then be pissed off the next 2 days. And then you're all worked up coming into Friday, which you're never supposed to really try to make money Friday. You're supposed to maintain what you have on Friday. So I agree with you, man. I agree with you. If you're happy with where you're at, then get on out. But then do your best. Don't come back. That's the worst part, right? Like I was red yesterday. I came back to try to do Power Hour, and Power Hour was a nothing burger, and it didn't help. I just lost a little bit more. So here we go. We're still on our first 5 minute, and we are breaking this 5 minute. Your stop, though, would be about 613, so it would be about a 25-point stop. And admittedly, we're kind of in consolidation. Consolidating. So it's not really showing confirmation yet. Alright, let me let this dog out. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. You gotta go potty? Come on. Mac, you gotta go potty? Mac, come on. Wow, it's cold out today. Woo! It's really chilly today. Jenny, come on. Jack, come. Hey. Hey, Jetty. Jetty. Come on, baby. Come on, guys. Come on. Nice. Come on. Hey, come on. Ooh, good timing. We have 30 seconds before our next 5 minute. So admittedly, this 5 minute broke these. So this is our bear flag slowly playing out. Let's just give it 13 more seconds. Let's see if our next 5 minute candle can break 578. And then that might be a nice little entry point for us. I mean, it's breaking. It is breaking. I'm just a little hesitant on it still, because basically that's what I did here, right? I mean, now at least we're seeing an appropriate setup and everything. Ugh, but we've just been in such consolidated chop ranges lately. Is it truly going to keep going or not? We have a new 1 minute candle coming just in a couple seconds. It started the same chop it's been doing since last week. It was a good downside move earlier, though. I know it, man. I know, and I'm starting to feel the same exact way I felt for, like, literally, just like you said, the last 2 weeks here. And it's kind of what I said at 9:55. I was like, man, 10 o'clock might just start the usual bullshit of where this makes it so hard to trade because you're seeing a little bit of confirmation, you're seeing a little bit of a setup, but then the moves themselves just might take so long. And our volume now is starting to dry up. Yeah, so it's really not, I mean, again, this is technically where you just get up and walk away and say, it is what it is. It's the last day of the year. So obviously this is my first full, holiday season trading futures. My first Christmas and my first, New Year's trading futures. I honestly might take the 2 weeks off next year. I don't know. We'll feel it out. I mean, everybody talks about, the Santa rallies or the Grinch, Grinch shorts and all that kind of fun stuff. But yeah, admittedly, this chop has just been so hard to trade. Because really what you're looking at is like the wicks. Look at how close all these wicks are to each other. Like this is only, 3 points away, 2 points away, 1 point away. Like the wicks are so close to the previous wick. Everything's just bunched up so much. But then you'll have these, explosive moves just once in a while. So it's pretty hard to be on the correct side of the move with stuff like this. I mean, again, this is that's a perfect bear flag, right? And same thing, like this was a perfect bear flag. This is a great bear flag. This one really played out at least. This is a great bear flag as well. But by the time you got confirmation on it, it ended up coming all the hell way back up. So here we have another bear flag. We have our confirmation right here. This is our confirmation. But if you try shorting right now, it might come all the hell way back up here before it forms another bear flag to then kind of just barely poke down. So, I don't know, man. I really wanted this to be an exciting day. But this is kind of forcing trades. Do, 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 do. Just a 22-point range on our 5-minute candles. So you have to wait 5 minutes on average to try to get your 20 points. This is our new 5-minute, but it's still just not pushing. We really need this 5-minute to break 573. And really wanted to do it within the first 10 or 15 seconds to show we have strong momentum. We only have 10 seconds left of this 1 minute. Are you gonna come in here and start friggin' barking at me again? Come on up. Come hang out. Come here. Instead of all this stinking barking, just come up. Come hang out. Urgh. Come here, you. There he is. See, it's teasing the short. It's teasing the short so hard right now. It's friggin' teasing it so hard. And that's what screws you up. You enter this thinking it's an easy short, and then it friggin' sneaks back up to its consolidation range. Oh, it's killing me right now. I'm getting kind of FOMO-y right now. I keep thinking like, whoop, there it is. It's about to short down to here. It's finally about to break down to the 550s, and then it doesn't do it. $91. Ugh. There we go. To control my FOMO, I'm going to do one teeny tiny little micro. Because that's what the people really want. If you want an exciting stream, what you do is you put on one micro. It does seem like it wants to break though. What a tease. Yeah, this is definitely a stop while you're ahead type day, right? I'm excited for, I don't know if I'm that excited for Friday, because unfortunately it's a Friday, but I'm really excited for next week. I think next Monday, we're just going to have an amazing trading week. I literally can't wait. I feel like all of January is just going to be really, really fun. And I don't necessarily have a bias, you know, I don't have a we're going up or we're going down directional or anything like that, but I just think it will be directional, and I feel like it'll be higher volume and it'll be a heck of a lot easier to trade. There. Are you happy now? Are you happy now? Here's our 1050 candle. Sometimes that brings us a little bit of volume. Though admittedly, this one's been kind of a nothing burger. Maybe we were waiting. Maybe we were waiting for that 10:50, 11 o'clock mark to be like, yep, time to go down. Time to go down. Let's see a break. Let's see us finally break these stinking wicks. Boop doo 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 doo. Dude, it is frickin' freezing here. Frickin', how did you like how that came out? Now we're running a high school show. But it is so stinking cold out today. It's literally in the 50s or something. I can't even stand it. let's see what time it's holding. 1 sec, gang. Alright, let's get locked in. What the heck? You can't get locked in on days like this. You don't get excited. You just go home. We knew it. At 10 o'clock we knew it. Here it is at 10:52. Stupid friggin' days. Again, next week is going to be phenomenal. Can't wait for next week. Like, everybody's just so slowly going down. SPX has made new lows. Q's is basically doing the same exact thing we're doing. Nvidia's finally starting to show some weakness, and they do have this gap fill down here. So if they can go after the gap fill, that would be pretty good news. IWM is the only one that's looking a little bullish. Kind of a bull flag forming, but based on everybody else, we'll see. So we, not even to say break, we didn't break, but we popped down a little bit. We came down 5 points so far. We're up $3 on this monster trade, gang. Hey, Jet, the fuck? Hey, come here. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're 65 pounds. She's 5 pounds. You can't mess with her like that, dude. Let's see us break through these bodies right. Whoa, good wick down. Real good wick down. Start bringing our stop down to 10 points, which is very silly. I mean, again, just because it's one friggin' micro, you know, but it is what it is. Now that we wick down, it's one of those silly friggin' days, you know. It's one of those silly days that we might not have continuation. That might have been it. It's kind of like over here. So this was the one I kind of chased down here. Let's see. The next candles might bring us right back up to this range. We are frustratingly close to our overnight low. But still, that's kind of what these days have been bringing us. Here's our brand new 5-minute candle. What we'd wanted to see is this 5-minute candle break 563 relatively quickly here for a continuation south. We're up peanuts on the day. 76 bucks on the day, gang. Oop, there we go. There we go. Shoot, there you go. All that consolidation finally broke. Wow. Wow. I mean, again, though, these are just the frustrating days. There's really not a lot you can do with this now. It's just been such a slow consolidation. And then we're getting these really aggressive, just quick pop-pops. Yeah, I mean, you could have just taken the short like we did and just held it, hope it didn't pop up, hold it. So technically, now that we're out of our 15-minute, range, we blasted through our first price target, which would have been 566. So price target number 2, which would be 100% of the move, would be 525. So we do have still a potential smidge to keep going. Dude, stop the shit, man. You've been too rumbly and bumbly and grumbly today. Man, another thing this dog does too is he's a 65-pound poodle. He's a big pup. But to get your attention, he'll like chomp his teeth. It's the weirdest thing. And it's not like in a mean, malicious way or anything. It's just how he's like talking. Like, fucking stop chomping your teeth at me, man. So I'm getting a little bit of a push back up. The 5-minute EMA would be 582. 561 is the 1 minute. 582 would be up here. Let's see. We only have a minute and a half left of this 1 hour candle. We did finally break through our... We broke through our lows. We broke through our Asian low. We broke through our London low. If we break this support, I mean, yeah, we should come down to the 500s, you'd think. At the very least, we should come down to the 500s. Maybe even test like the 270s or something. But that would be like a normal trading day, right? Not a end of the year trading day where we've been chopping and consolidating for the last 2 weeks. So I don't know. Honestly, for me today, a little bit of uncharted territory. Normally, if this was a normal everyday day, I would take this short. You know, this is a perfect short to take. You got a nice bear flag forming. You have a nice, I mean, 500 is the perfect price target. Your stop would be like 582. So a 30-point stop. It's not atrocious. 30-point for a 50-point gain isn't bad, but again, this isn't a normal trading day. This is we've been consolidating and chopping day, where we have these little breakouts and then it comes right back into the range. See, look at like this pattern right here, eerily similar, right? You had the really nice bear flag play out, and then it consolidated all the way back up, slowly, slowly, slowly. Oh man, wrong screen. So I was talking about this. So here was where we had the bear flag play out again, and right here we had a nice push down, popped up, consolidated, 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 all the way up to the top. It's nice push down, popped up, consolidated, consolidated, consolidated. So that's what I was trying to say, is we might come all the way back up here, which is friggin' doing. So the EMA on the 5 would be 580. That's what we're kind of looking for. See what it does at 580. Still teasing us though. Admittedly, it's still teasing us. Look at this teeny tiny little bull flag. Teeny tiny little bull flag. $76. Oh my god. Ugh. I mean, I guess I would like to think that I at least learned a lot over the last 2 weeks. We've had a lot of good trades too. But it's been a lot of this. It's just been a lot of frustrating kind of sitting here and digesting the market. And then sitting here and digesting the market a little more. There's a lot of things we could have done over the last 2 weeks besides just sitting here. Again, little tiny little bull flag. Look at this little bull flag. Look at this cute little guy playing out. Cute little guy breaking his little resistance. So hopefully that pushes up again. We're trying to target like 580s. I want to see it come up to the 580s. And then we got to wait a little bit longer and see if it's going to push up to the 600s. Then we got to wait a little bit longer and see when the hell is it going to start curling back down. And that's what I mean about the last 2 weeks. It's been like this. We got 50 seconds left of this 1 minute candle. Yeah, I don't think I want to trade for too much longer. Because what are you going to do? You know, what am I going to do? Like, literally, best case scenario here is I put on a 5 micro trade. And it drops down to our 542. We get 20 points out of it. We make $100. Do I really want to wait around for another hour to only make $100? Not really. And I definitely am not confident enough in this market to do larger than a 5 micro trade. Because there's no point. We have a 9-point range right now on the 1 minute. On the 5 minute, we have a 23-point range. Just not enough to get excited about. Man, remember the good old days a month ago where it was like every 1 minute candle was a 100-point swing. And at that time I was like, this is a little bit too intense. And now it's too boring. Alright, last trade of the day.
Order filled.
We're throwing it on. We're going to do a reversion trade as our last trade of the day. Which, watch, it instantly goes against me. Oh, you doing are you saying same as in this is the last trade of the day? Or are you saying same as in you're looking for that reversion trade as well? Because that's what I'm thinking. If there's a last trade of the day, even though we've been going down this entire morning, at this moment in time, I almost feel like there's a better chance that we come up to kiss this 45 than there is that we come down. But we'll see. And hopefully this isn't like 30 minutes. I definitely don't want to sit here for 30 minutes. $5.75. Ugh. The only thing that stinks a little is with this consolidation, it's slowly bringing that EMA down. So the EMA on the 5-minute now is 575, which, oh yeah, that's exactly where we have it. So it'd be nicer if that was still at 580. It'd give us just a little bit more breathing room. Enter one at 560, add to it over 566, yeah. Oh, there you go. Starting to get a little pop up. What is that?
Jet, you're gonna be lucky to continue to live in this house.
Oh, can we not continue to say
Everything, everything, Greg. Like what? He ate 2 of the marbles?
that? No, I highly doubt he ate 2 of the marbles. It could also be like the kids could pick up after themselves a little bit, you know. Poor dog.
The dog, it's true.
We got 30 seconds left till our new 5-minute candle. Hopefully that's the 5-minute that takes us up and out of this zone. We had just a nice little tiny pop for a second there. It wasn't enough to get excited about though. Got 10 seconds left. Come on. What we really want to see is it to push 570 right away. If you can push 570 right away, then we're looking all right. We'll see. Stop below 548. Yeah, 548 would definitely be a better stop. Get right below that wick right there. Though the problem is if it breaks, yeah. I mean, if it breaks 554, it's probably going to come down to here anyways.
You remove the blanket and make copies of the key.
Okay.
I just picked up some hay and I had to drop all that off.
Okay. Wait, I thought you were going to get straw.
I didn't have no straw.
Oh.
So I got, they said coastal hay.
Oh,
I went
okay.
to the Winter Garden feed store.
Yeah.
So they said coastal hay is what people are using right now because there's no straw.
Oh. Do they actually have any insight about it? Like, is it cold? Or is it just like, yeah, you'll do this?
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah. There we go. Real good push right there. Real good push. If we can get this little push to continue. Come on, let's get a real good push now. Boom, 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 boom. No. Find a little strength, please. Find a little strength. Come on. Come on. Come on. I might start bringing these down just so I can get the heck out of here. I gotta start helping out around the house. Oh, come on. I don't want to be stuck here anymore. One, two, three, four, five, six. 6 minutes. 6 minutes of it going nowhere, right? Come on, wick me so I can get out of here. Wick me in the green real quick. See, look at that. So now we're not even targeting to make any really money. This is a joke. We're gonna make like 15 bucks off this trade. I know, literally, the last trade is always like, hey, now you get to sit here for 3 friggin' hours to make $15. Fuck me. Time to go. Alright, let's see. At least get in the green. Come on. SPX is pushing a little bit. Get me out of this stinking thing. Time to leave. Watch, the second I shut my computer down too, you guys are gonna watch this thing moonshot or something. Oh man. I know, right? Yeah, if the wife is waiting, yeah, then it takes forever. I know. She's gonna come back from her errand in 3 hours, and I'm still sitting here just like stressing out, getting all shaky, sweating bullets. It's gonna hit, Jackie, I swear. It's gonna hit. Oh. I mean, it's looking good. You know, it's frustratingly looking good. We're getting wicks in the correct direction. It's just not effing going. I don't want to burn anymore. And I also don't want to just lose money on fees either, because that's dumb. Come on. Come on. Hurry up. Here's your new 5 minute. Come on, give us a little push. Alright, I'm gonna start taking these. I don't want to sit here anymore. Yay, we did it! 78 bucks on the day. Fucking look at that. The second I take it. I mean, this was the 5 minute candle too, so we should have given it a second longer, but it's a 5 minute candle, so it just as easily can wick back down here now. Alright, gang, 78 bucks. Last trading day of the stinking year. Follow my lead and shut it down, gang. I mean, technically the market's open until 1 o'clock today. There might be a move today. Who the heck knows? You know, maybe there'll be a... I just don't know. I haven't traded futures on the very last day of the year before. Like, is it a type of situation where at 12.50 the MOT is insane? Because there's people that are taking the tax losses, the write-offs. I mean, is there going to be just a crazy slush eventually today? Maybe. I have no idea. I don't know. I might sit back down. Fuck it, I'm talking about walk away, leave, don't come back. And I'm like, maybe we'll be back at 12.50. Yeah, I know. There's our 570. Shut up, trading cowboy. You dick. I'm just kidding, man. I love you. I know, man. Look at that. Literally, I've been in this trade. Look at this. I was in the trade for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 minutes. I was in that trade. Finally get a little bit of green. I'm like, don't want to sit here anymore. I'm taking it. So I take them all, and it pops up. But again, that's the perspective as well. You know, I took these at 66. here's this amazing pop to 72. That's only 4 points, so it's been eight extra dollars times 4, $32. So that kind of explains it as well. Alright, gang, listen, I love y'all to death. This has been a hell of a journey. This has been a hell of a 2025. I hope everybody else is having a phenomenal end to the year as well. Be safe today. Be smart today. Make good decisions, but obviously make good memories as well. Hang out with friends, hang out with family, and that's it. Love you guys to death. We'll see you in 2026, bright and early Friday, 9:30. And then the week after, next week, will be phenomenal. I can't wait. And also next week we'll do our first subscriber co-host. So if you're interested in co-hosting a stream with me, follow me on Instagram, greg.tarshis. It's my name that's on here, right? Follow me on Instagram, send me a message and say, hey man, I think I'm interested. And then we'll just talk through it from there. Basically what it'd be is I'll send you video.ninja, which is a screen sharing site that's specifically designed for OBS, which is nice. You'll log in. You can choose what you want to share. So, presumably you'd share your laptop's, your camera, and then you would share also your Trade-Evate screen or whatever trading platform you use. I'll add you in. Well, this is basically what it looks like. Right now it's all screwed up, but your head will be up here. Oh, you can't even see that. Your head will be right above my head, and then your Trade-Evate will be on this screen. And then while we trade throughout the day, your head will be above mine, basically on all of these screens, and we'll just kind of go through. We'll talk about trading. We'll talk about your trades. We'll talk about my trades. We'll hang out. Hopefully we'll grow as traders. All right, appreciate you guys. Everybody have a good one.